welcome to my channel, guys. And yes, right now I will be listening to a song by this artist who goes by the name JK, spelled as JKAY. This is his song, which is called Rata Kalia, and it's from his album, which has basically just dropped quite a few days back. It's very recent. So the album name is called Goblin Mode. And Rata Kalia, this is one of the songs from there, and this has a video. Baki gaane bhi hai, but unke audio hai. So this song is produced by Anki, and let me just look at the other credits. So the director of this video is Vinod, and special thanks to Gokul. DOP also is Vinod, and video editor. Okay, so director, DOP, video editor, everything is done by Vinod. Sorry, I think I pronounced it incorrectly before. And music producer, mixing, mastering, all done by Anki, and artist and lyrics JK. So yeah, let's listen to this song right away. So Rata Kalia, huh? Because it could be a sad song.
Yeah. Season of Love. JK. वे रात कालियां मैं कट्टियां हाँ तेरे करके हैं सारे सपने संजोया मैं तेरे करके हैं वे तू किन्ना नाल यारी लावेगा है JK किन्ना नाल यारी लावेगा रात कालियां मैं कट्टियां हाँ तेरे करके हैं छड़ गया मैनू कला कि मैं करा हाँ मैनू दस दे अल्लाह तू ते छड़ गया मैनू कला कि मैं करा हाँ मैनू दस दे अल्लाह जो तू बोले ओ मैं मानना आजा मुड़ के एक बारी तू रात कलियां मैं कटियां हाँ तेरे करके हैं रात हाँ कालियां मैं सांभियां हाँ तेरे करके हैं सारे सपने संजोया मैं तेरे करके वे तू किन्ना नाल यारी लावेगा है JK किन्ना नाल यारी लावेगा रात कलियां मैं कट्टियां हाँ तेरे करके हर रात सोचा करती वो मेरे बारे गालों पे लाली खाता जो भी उससे आंख मारे डर के बच के रहते उससे लौंडे सारे फिर भी समझ न पाता मैं उसके इशारे आंखों में डूबा डूबा रहता था उसके मैं बातों में खोया खोया रहता था उसके मैं सुबह शाम करूं मेहनत के मिले वो एक बार ताकि इस बार जाने ना दूं उसको मैं गुस्से में कह दिया बुरा भला तुझको बेबी माफी है अब तो कॉल बैक कर मुझे काफी है ये इंतजार अब हो ना मुझसे खड़ा तूफान में तेरे दर पर भूले भटके को तो एक बार रख ले तू अपने घर पर फलक से लेकर हर तरफ दिखती है बस तेरी ही झलक तू खुदा है या तू भ्रम है क्यों बनती नहीं तू हकीकत वे रात कालियां मैं कट्टियां हाँ तेरे करके हैं सारे सपने संजोया मैं तेरे करके हैं वे तू किन्ना नाल यारी लावेगा है JK किन्ना नाल यारी लावेगा रात कालियां मैं कट्टियां हाँ तेरे करके हैं
नाइस। एक चीज तो मैं समझ गई हूँ, इतने सारे गानों पे रिएक्शन दे दे के ऑफ वेरी एस्टैब्लिश्ड आर्टिस्ट एंड अप एंड कमिंग आर्टिस्ट ऑल्सो इज दैट हमारे कंट्री में ना कूट कूट के टैलेंट भरा है, मतलब भर भर के बहुत व्हेन इट कम्स टू म्यूजिक बहुत सारे अलग अलग फील्ड्स में भी, बट व्हेन इट कम्स टू लाइक म्यूजिकल प्रोवेस, चाहे वो म्यूजिक प्रोडक्शन हो, चाहे वो रैपिंग हो, सिंगिंग हो, देयर इज नो शॉर्टेज ऑफ टैलेंट इन आवर कंट्री। मतलब इतना एक्सेसिव टैलेंट है, इसीलिए आई फील दैट द कॉम्पिटिशन इज सो फियर्स। जो आगे निकल जाता है, जिसको वो सक्सेस मिल जाती है, वेल एंड गुड, बट आई फील कि देयर आर सो मेनी अपकमिंग अंडररेटेड आर्टिस्ट ऑल्सो। अभी जैसे मैंने गाना सुना, I mean, you know, on a normal, regular day, if I was not having a channel, not doing reactions, not made aware of these artists, I wouldn't have known. I wouldn't have known. So this kind of makes me feel at least very, very happy that at least I'm getting to witness um, artists, I'm getting to witness content which generally I wouldn't have come across. So that's the power of social media, that's the power of the internet, and I'm so glad for platforms like YouTube, though YouTube भी अब बहुत ही change हो गया है as a platform. There are so many restrictions now, but I feel that अगर आप एक creative person हो और आपके पास कोई means नहीं है अपना हुनर दिखाने के लिए, so YouTube is a great medium to start. You know, at least just start, put it out there. You don't know what will happen, but at least there is a platform now. मतलब उससे स्ट्रगल और भी ज्यादा बढ़ गई बिकॉज दिस सो मच कंटेंट. तो एल्गोरिदम में क्या वर्क करता है क्या नहीं करता है, दैट्स अनदर यू नो स्टोरी ऑल टुगेदर. बट द थिंग इज दैट all of this, you know, reacting to so many songs, so many different artists just makes me realize that the country is just overflowing with talent. It's just that, you know, entertainment industries शायद tap नहीं कर पा रही हो उनको, but at least YouTube is there to you know, promote their art, promote their videos and all of that. So this song also by JK, he's also an up and coming artist. It's like his channel doesn't have too many subscribers at this point, but that's okay. That's okay because you have to start somewhere. So my also channel, when I started, it had 0 subscribers, actually 1, क्योंकि मैंने अपनी फैमिली को बोला था कि भाई तुम सब्सक्राइब करो यार, एटलीस्ट 1 सब्सक्राइबर तो बढ़ाओ स्टार्टिंग में. बट you know, it has to start somewhere. So I feel that music production wise, Anki, first I want to talk about Anki, because in this song what really caught my attention is the music production, especially जब वो flute use हुआ. बस starting में तो there was like piano, वो instrumental चल रहा था, but when he was singing like the hook, JK was singing the hook, in background you could hear the flute so well integrated. I feel कि ये जो कुछ instruments होते हैं ना, जैसे गिटार हो गया, गिटार तो बहुत ही commonly, गिटार और पियानो मुझे लगता है काफी commonly लोग use करते हैं, but flute is one instrument which I feel is so underrated, so underrated. I think कि ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा producers को ये जो flute का जो sound है इसको और ज़्यादा integrate करना चाहिए बहुत, क्योंकि मेरा जो डेटा पॉइंट है ये बोलने का, मैं उस हिसाब से बोल रही हूँ कि क्योंकि मैं इतने गानों पे रिएक्ट करती हूँ, इतना एक्सपोजर है मेरे को गानों का बिकॉज ऑफ द चैनल, बिकॉज ऑफ योर रिक्वेस्ट्स, दैट आई फील दैट आई हैव रियलाइज्ड दैट the flute as an instrument is so freaking underrated, and people really don't, like the music producers, I feel they don't really know the power of flute. I feel that it adds a different kind of serenity to the song, to the overall feel and mood of the song. तो यहाँ पे भी जैसे वो flute आया ना, मेरा एकदम attention अलग ही level पे चला गया गाने को लेके, because I really loved the integration. Obviously उसको integrate ऐसे नहीं कि कहीं पे भी आप flute use कर दो, it has to do with what the mood of the song is. In this kind of song where, you know, it's a sad song, he's lonely and he's kind of reminiscing, he's missing the other half, the better half, the partner. So in this kind of song, the integration of flute really works. So Anki, I think he did a great job. Secondly, coming to JK, so the Punjabi part, the song melody part, obviously because it was in Punjabi, I couldn't really decipher the exact meaning, but वो मुझे just समझ में आ गया. But what I want to talk about is the Hindi rap, because that's what caught my attention when it comes to JK's vocals, is that here when he was rapping in Hindi, now this is my first time listening to him, so I really don't know what his exact style is of rapping, but ये वाला गाना सुन के वो जो एक rawness है ना एक आवाज में, जहाँ पे you slur a little bit जब आप बहुत दुखी होते हो, like you see him very lonely in the video and गाना भी उसी मोड पे है, and when you are feeling very low, sometimes you drink ले लेते हो and you feel a little high and you kind of slur your words, आपकी आवाज थोड़ी अलग हो जाती है जब आप बात करते हो. I think this is just a guess, because that's what I felt when I listened to the rap, is that he is using that kind of cadence where you kind of, you know, your voice is dragging a little bit and आप पूरे होश में नहीं हो, मतलब you are so sad that you don't have the energy to talk. You don't have the energy to talk because you are absolutely completely like you want to cut off everybody, आपको किसी से बात नहीं करनी है. So वो वाली जो एक feeling है वो मुझे उनके cadence में लगी, which was very interesting. Now this is just a guess क्योंकि गाने मुझे सुन के ऐसा लगा. So that part was the part which actually was very unique to me. So yes, I wish you nothing but the best. Please grow, keep growing, keep dropping songs, and everybody finds their audience. That's what I truly believe in, that everybody eventually finds their audience. If you have talent, you are just going to go places. Nobody can stop you from showing your talent to the world. That's what I truly believe in. एक luck वाला factor तो होता ही है, but अब क्या करें, वो हमारे control में नहीं है. So yes, that was the reaction to Rata Kalia, and that's it, guys. That was it, and hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I'm gonna sign off now, and I will see you soon on my next video. Bye.